Hey, John Kovacs with another edition of My Take, and today I've got prototypes to show you from GLM Stamp. Now, these were debuted at the Chicago Shenanigans show that was recently held up in Chicago, the one we do every year. You know, if you've been watching the videos, watching the channel, you know that GLM Stamp is a big supporter of the hobby. They've been a big supporter of the shows, and they always send some really nice, juicy prototypes. This year, they pulled out all the stops. They sent 3 sizes, 1/64th, 1/43rd, and 1/18th. And I've got 3 separate videos for you. They are juicy models. I think you're going to like them. Now, keep in mind, they're prototypes. So they're very close to production. Probably the trim is about right. Probably the colors are about right. But they're looking for some constructive input. If you've got something constructive you want to share, we pass those along, and they listen very carefully. Once again, if you're familiar with the hobby, you know that they've got their ears open and they're listening to their clients. So here's your opportunity to take a look at these and tell us what you think about them. Put it in the comments down below. If you're watching this on social media, if you're watching it on a forum or something like that, click on the YouTube icon. That'll take you to the YouTube channel. You can put your comments in there. So I'd like to start out with the 1/43rds. We've got a Lincoln Continental convertible. We've got a Corvette T-top, really nice looking model, a first and 1/43rd, and we've got a 67 Chrysler 300. So let's get them on the turntable, take a look at them, and then you tell me what you think. So the first model is the 1964 Lincoln Continental convertible by GLM. It's a beautiful car. This is a design that just captured my heart right from its inception in 1961. The beautiful, simple, elegant lines set the tone for, I think, car design in the 60s. Now, there are going to be 3 different color variations, 5 different models. Fiesta Red will come with top up and top down, closed and open. There'll be a black open version, show off that gorgeous interior. And then there will be Regal Turquoise Metallic enclosed and open. You're going to have to decide which ones you like. I like them all. As you can see, the details in the car are really excellent. Front and rear grills, lensing, all superb. Minute badging, great hood ornaments. But I want you to take a quick look at this gorgeous interior. Now, this is a prototype, so it's not quite finished yet. There's still some detail needs to be added, but you can see it's well on its way. Really, really well done, of a gorgeous interior on the 1/1, equally so on the scale model. Moving on to GLM's 1968 Chrysler 300. You know, the mid-60s was a great time for car design, and Chryslers were unique. They stood out. That triangular-shaped C-pillar was really distinctive, and GLM has captured it beautifully. Now, the car's going to come from the factory in 2 colors, frost green metallic and sky blue metallic. But keep your eye on Toy Car Geek, Dave Gilbert. He's going to have maroon and black versions in very limited quantities, and they're going to be beautiful. Let's take a look at the detail here. The finish is just incredible. It's minute detail again on badging, markers, that sort of thing. Look at those wheels. Absolutely stunning. Front and rear ends of the car are expertly captured down to the minute detail. I love that grille on the 300, but look at those taillights as well. This is a beautiful design. Okay, I saved this one for last because it's my favorite. We all knew that Chevrolet was working on a new Corvette back in 66, 67. We saw the Mako Shark, but that was a show car. But when they came out with the 68 Corvette, it was just a stunner. And here we have the 1969 Corvette. And you got to admit, these colors are absolutely beautiful. They're amazing. They are stunningly correct, and they are so reminiscent of the car back then. It was so magical to see these cars out on the street. They were something really special. Now, these are the 3 colors that can come in: Le Mans Blue, Monza Red, and Riverside Gold Metallic. You can see they've done the open T-tops, which shows how well they've done on the interior. I really like that idea. But they're working on something else, and let me show you what that is going to look like. They're working on, and we hope to see it, we're working on 2 versions of the gold and the blue with open headlights and a closed roof. So I just love when they come out with these variants of the model. They give you a chance to give an overall look to your display. So it's the L88 version, 427 badges, side pipes, really nice interior, raised white leather tires. Got the Chevrolet wheels that were iconic back at the time. It's a great image of a great car, and it should be available sometime soon. there they are. I think 3 fantastic models. I'm really looking forward to these. I want to have them all in my collection. They're going to be top up, top down features for the Lincoln convertible. The Corvette's going to come in a couple of different versions. There might be a headlights up, closed T-top version as well. We'll have to wait until production and see. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Let's give our thanks to GLM Stamp for so much support of the hobby. If you liked the video, do me a favor, give me a like down there in the right hand corner. Love to have you as a subscriber. I'll be back again real soon. Thank you.